Hello, dear friends. My name is Vitaly, and I had an honor and the privilege to be invited to UX Designers Camp last year. Thanks so much, Tatiana, for inviting me. I think for me it was really interesting and special experience, mostly because not only I had a workshop and things like that, but when you get to meet so many really interesting and cool designers in one place, in one intimate place where you actually get to spend a lot of time together, almost magic appears. Like you get to really exchange and share. Imagine all the wonderful things like getting together in front of a fireplace or library, or where you play pool or things like that. This is where you really kind of get to share. And this is the experience that I hardly find at any conferences. Because this is, I guess, what makes UX Designers Camp special as well. So I can only recommend it. It was a really wonderful experience for me. I made some connections, but most importantly, I also just experience what it's like to be kind of connected with people who are like-minded. And this is again something that is really, really valuable these days. So I hope that you will join this year, and I'm sure that this is going to be quite a journey, knowing Tatiana and all. And I hope you're going to have a wonderful time getting together, sharing, learning, and spending a lot of really good moments together. So with this in mind, signing off, and I hope to see you again at some point. Bye-bye.